In today's video, I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot on your Mac. Whether you want a selected portion of it or the entire screen, I'm going to show you it in this video. But before you do that, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thank you guys. Alright, so first, let me open up my notes here, and then I have 3 commands that you can use when taking a screenshot. So if you want to take a screenshot of the full screen, press on Command Shift 3. And as you can see, it took a screenshot. It's down here. I can do whatever I want with it. I can edit it. So that's a full screenshot. Let's say you only want a selected portion of the screen. Let's say I don't want all this extra stuff over here. I don't want the dock. I don't want all this stuff over here. I'm going to click on Command Shift 4. Now what this will do is it will bring in a selector. So you can drag it onto a corner, and then you press on it and you can drag a box. So you can make it a rectangle, a box, a square. And then basically you highlight your selected portion that you want to screenshot, let go, and it screenshots it. As you can see, all I have is this selected portion, none of the extra stuff. Now, to bring up the screenshot settings, this is also the screen recording settings on your Mac. Click on Command Shift 5. And as you can see, I have a bunch of options. So I can capture the entire screen, capture a selected window, capture a selected portion. Now this will do the same thing as the other options shown, except you can customize it more. Or you can just see it if you're having struggle. Also from here, you can screen record. As you can see, I'm screen recording right now. But there's a screen record option right here. And then there's different options where you can save it, and also how long the timer starts, and the mouse pointer and stuff like that. Then when you're ready, click on capture and it will capture that selected portion of your screenshot. If this video helped you out, please go ahead and like and subscribe, and comment whatever Mac tips you need help with down below. I'll see you in the next one.